现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi there, everyone. It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and why don't we go straight into the song from Huang Weijie?
咪农那给金丝面山，咪你那，来点点看。又是那日头辣辣，又是那蒙蒙拍拍，扑云飘香。给金丝面山，
金丝面山，这是一句在黄伟杰这首歌里面会重复听到的话哦。它其实就是位于美浓的金字面山。美浓呢，就是黄伟杰的老家，从小就搬离了美浓。但是有一天呢，他决定搬回去，待在那边1年。每天工作完呢，回家的路上呢，都会迎面看见老家后方的那座金字面山，感觉非常的熟悉，好像他永远都陪伴在那里，像一位老友一样，因此而写了这首歌。金丝面山 is a mountain that is found at Huang Weijie's hometown in Meinong and Kaohsiung. And when he was little, it was always there. One year, he returned back to his hometown to work there, and whenever he would see the site of this mountain, it would remind him of his childhood and all the stuff about Meinong. So he decided to write this song to remember how this mountain is like an old friend. So let's continue to listen to it. 金丝面山。
咪农那金丝面山咯，咪你来点点看，上门那有无失败无汹涌，嘅感情会免唔会变老。
Hope you enjoyed the music. That's today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin, and I'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.